everyone, how's it going? In honor of Valentine's Day coming up, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Valentine's elephant. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our little Valentine's Day elephant, we're going to begin right here with the nose. I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make the little trunk. To do this, you're going to begin by drawing a little line that's going to curve out and then down. Then you're going to go up and curl in just a little bit. Starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to come all the way back up like this. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, and I'm going to curl it up to about here. And you can see I got a little bit wider as I came out here. Right here, I'm going to add a small little smiley face for part of the mouth. Your next step is you want to come up here and we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve over. It's going to come down, and I want to bring it all the way down to here. We're going to go a little bit past where we had the trunk. So you can see this is a little bit lower than where the trunk is. Next, starting over here by the trunk, I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to go out and it's going to come down like this. I'm going to go over and up just a little bit. I'm going to draw a little line right here. Then I'm going to draw down. I'm going to make another line that goes over, and I'm going to bring it up. Now, we want to start inside the leg just a little bit, and we're going to make a nice big line that goes all the way to here. Not all the way to the end, but just leave some space. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come over and up. And even right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's just going to come straight over here. And I'm going to bring this line over just a little bit more. Starting over here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curl up. It's going to go down and up. And right here at the end, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and down just a bit. And I'll do the same thing. I'll go up and then down here to make a little heart tail. Now, starting up here, we're going to make the eye. And to do the eye, all you want to do is just make a little smiley face shape like this. Our next step is to make the ear, and we're going to make the ear out of a heart. So to do this, you want to start down here a little bit. We're going to make a line that's going to curl up, and it's going to come down like this, like a big hook shape. The next step is to do the same thing. We're going to go up, and we're going to come down and meet in a point. I'm going to go up a little bit just to make this heart a little taller. Now, one of the last things we want to do is to draw some hearts coming out of the nose. So you can add as many hearts as you like. I'm just going to add a few little heart shapes. All you do is just curl up and down. I know hearts can be kind of tricky sometimes. What I like to do though is I like to make some different size hearts coming out of here. And I want it to look like they're almost kind of floating away. So we're just going to add a few little hearts inside of here. I'll put a little bigger one up here. And I'll put one more little small one up here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a nice little Valentine's Day elephant. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.